Hello everyone and welcome back to me explains. Today I come with this viral math question. This one is very tricky. Actually very simple if you solve it in a step-by-step method and by order of our question, but you will feel tricky. Okay. So what is here? 5 plus 5 divided by 5 times 5 minus 5. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer whatever it is, right or wrong. Feature in our shortout list here. These are top commenters. You can be the part of this shortout list by commenting your answer, whatever it is. I will give shout out. So here actually four operations are there. This one is addition, division, multiplication, subtraction. So we will use here the PEMDAS. Okay, we will use PEMDAS. So many solve like this: 5 plus 5 which equals to 25 divided by 5 times 5 minus 5 which equals to 0, and 25 divided by 5 which equals to 5 times 0 which equals to 0. So do you think this is the right way of solving this question? No, this is not the right way. Even you get the same answer, but don't judge by solving this in the wrong way. I will show you what is the right way. We will rewrite our question here: 5 plus 5 divided by 5 times 5 minus 5. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, division and multiplication have the same priority and we have to operate from left to right. So first we will do this operation, 5 divided by 5. Okay, so we will rewrite here 5 plus 5 divided by 5, we will get 1 times 5 minus 5. And in the next step we have to solve this multiplication because division is done. Then we have to operate this multiplication. When we multiply 1 with 5 we will get 5. Okay, so we will rewrite here 5 plus this one will become 5 minus 5. You can simply cancel out this, or we can say 10 minus 5, whatever you should. So 10 minus 5 which equals to 5, which is the right answer. And if you are seniors, then must check out this product in the description, which will be definitely help you in your daily life. Okay, and thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos like this.